Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to remove the rear door panels and install the door handles. This video will apply to 7th generation of Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. Okay, so my Dodge Charger is ex-police unit and it actually came without the rear door handles, so that's why I have to remove the panel. Even if you have door handles in the back, process will be completely the same. First, what you have to do, you have to pop out this plastic cover because there is a screw just behind it, so you can use a flat screwdriver just to gently pop it off. And that way you'll get access to Phillips screws, so remove that screw. Okay, once you have it out, you'll have to do the same thing just down here. I'll try to zoom it in. So you also want to pop out this plastic cover, and behind it there is going to be one screw to remove. Okay, this plastic cover has just a couple of clips holding it, so we just pop it out, and again there is a Phillips screw just down there. Okay, once removed, there is actually nothing else holding this door panel, and you can start popping it out on the sides, which I will show you how to do right now. You just have to be careful in case you do have a door handle. There will be a cable going right here on the back side, and it's gonna be pretty tight, so you don't want to pull the door panel too hard towards yourself so you don't damage the cable. And also there is a power cable plugged into this power window switch, but that also can be unplugged once you pop off the panel. In the next step, I recommend using plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, then bigger flat screwdriver will do. So what you want to do, you want to pretty much pry underneath under the panel and just pop it out all around. There's a bunch of plastic clips holding it in place, so this is what you want to do. Just pretty much pop it out, and then the panel will be completely loose. Once you have it loose at the bottom and on both of the sides, you want to grab it and lift it straight up because it's still gonna be held up here. So just lift it up and pull it gently towards yourself. And that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, if you have a door handle and you're just replacing it, right here you'll have a cable connected to this door handle. My cable is tucked in right here, ready to be connected. And one more thing, there is still a power cable connected down here to that power window switch. So for this you just want to disconnect it. There is a small clip on this side which you have to press and just pull the cable out, and that way you can completely remove the door panel. And yeah, one more thing, you might have this light at the bottom of the door panel. Not all trim of Dodge Chargers have it, but if you do have it, same thing, you just want to disconnect it. There is a small clip right here to press and just pull this wire out as well. And this is how you completely remove the rear door panel on a 2016 Dodge Charger. Now, if you want to continue watching this video, I will also show you how to install the new door handle. So I've got my door handle from eBay actually, because I couldn't find one at local salvages or whatever. And this is the part number in case you need it. And now I will show you how to install it. first, this old cover piece that's here instead of the door handle will have to be removed. Now there is no screws holding it. Just want to turn the door panel to the opposite side, and it's held by a couple of clips actually. One here, one here, one here, two on the other side, and one here. So what you want to do, you want to use your flat screwdriver or a pry tool and just pretty much squeeze it out. I recommend you start at this side where there is only one clip. So what you want to do, you want to just press this clip in and then push the handle down just like this. Now this will go inside and this side will be loose, and you want to continue doing the same thing on all other clips. So just want to press this and push down, and the door handle will soon be off completely. This one as well, and just this one left. I'll have to use both of my hands, I guess, to push it, or maybe not. Okay. Next thing to do would be just to squeeze in the new door handle. So just slide it on this side and push it in. It should just clip in place. Yeah, and that's it pretty much. And once you have it in, the door panel is ready to be installed back. And I will also show you now how to connect this door handle mechanism to the cable. Okay, first connect back all the wiring, and then what you will do, you'll have this cable right here, which has to sit into this mechanism of the door handle. So this little ball will actually just slide inside this slot right here, and this will pop in here. I'm sorry, I'm trying to work with one hand, record with the other one, and this should pop in just like this. And that's pretty much it. This is how you connect the door handle, and now it should be working. And now you can put back the door panel, and that's it. Before you put all the screws back in place, always make sure that the door handle actually works. Try to open close the door, and that's it. And yes, always make sure when you replace the door handles, always double check to make sure that safety lock, child lock is actually at the unlocked position, because if it's locked, then your door handle will not work. So this has to be at the unlocked position. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.